So hey, what are you learning now? I'm learning HTML. And what have you learned till now? I have learned HTML. So why the hell are you learning it again? Because I forgot it HTML. Yes, this is the perfect example of tutorial help. So hi guys, my name is Ankur Prasad and let me share a small story with you guys. Our two friends who are also learning the web development.
Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presents on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy.
This here is Abhishek and this here is Aditya. Well, Abhishek, what he do? He will watch the video of HTML or CSS, and after watching it, what he will do? He will close it. On the other hand, Aditya, what he also do? He also watch the video tutorial of HTML, CSS, and after watching it, what he will do? He also close the video. But after closing it, what he will do? He will add one more step. He would try to memorize it, recall it, and rebuild it. So now tell me in the comment, who will be learning more? Abhishek, who is only watch the video like in web series, or on the other hand Aditya. He is watch the video, try to memorize it, recall it, and rebuild it. So yeah, tell me in the comment. So yeah, now ask yourself, who are you, Abhishek or Aditya? Tell me in the
Gotta
comment.
do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the